Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you people are doing very well. First of all, I would revise our previous lecture. What was our previous lecture? That was output devices. Output devices. How to define output devices? Output devices are used to display text, graphics, and images. Output devices are used to display text, graphics, and images on the monitor or to print information on paper. I am writing the definition. Output devices are used to display text, graphics, and images on the monitor. There were two types of information. The first was soft copy and second was hard copy. What was the soft copy and what was the hard copy? Soft copy is information displayed on monitor, that is called soft copy, and information displayed on a paper, that is called hard copy. And next is monitor. We explained it already. What was the monitor? It is the screen on which displayed information. There are two types of monitor, CRT and LCD. CRT stands for cathode ray tube and LCD is liquid crystal displayed. And next is printer. How to define printer? Printer is an output device that prints information, text, graphics on a paper. Okay, there were two type of printers, that is first one is impact and second one is non-impact printer. Next is plotter. Plotter is used for printing engineering drawings, machines, parts, and building designs. And last one is speaker. Speaker is a device that produces audio output. Clear? Plotter and speaker. These were your output devices. Clear? Next we discussed about memory. I told you before discussing the word memory, we should know about two words. What was the two words? That was volatile and non-volatile. Volatile, and second one is non-volatile. What is volatile memory? That memory which needs continuously electric charge or electric power supply. For example, RAM. RAM stands for random access memory and cache memory. Clear? And non-volatile, it is opposite of volatile memory. Clear? So how to define non-volatile? Which does not need electric power supply, okay, which does not continuously need of electric charge or electric power supply. The example of non-volatile is ROM and secondary memory. What is ROM? ROM stands for read only memory. Clear? So this is your short recap of your previous lecture. Now our today's topic is, I am removing this. So girls, our today's topic is ports, expansion slots and expansion cards. Clear? I am writing the topic name here. Ports, expansion slots and expansion cards. So this is our new topic. Clear? How to define the word port? Port is an interface of for connecting various devices to the system unit. These are located on the motherboard and are usually seen at the back of the system unit. There are various type of ports for connecting keyboards, mouse, monitor, microphone, speakers and other input or output devices. I am writing here, so please note down in your notebook. Port is an interface for connecting various devices to the system unit. These are located on the motherboard. System unit, on the motherboard and are usually seen at the back of the system unit. And are usually seen at the back of the system unit. Now the turn of its example. What is the examples? For example, these are various types of ports that are connecting keyboard, mouse, monitor, microphones. Keyboard, microphones, mouse, monitor, speakers, etc. Clear? So what is port? Port is an interface for connecting various devices to the system unit. These are located on the motherboard and are usually seen at the back of the system unit. For example, keyboard, microphone, mouse, monitor, speaker, etc. Clear, girl? Next is in modern computer, examples देख लेते हैं हम इसकी. In modern computer, USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. HDMI, High Definition Multimedia Interface. DVI, that is called Digital Visual Interface. Audio and LAN. LAN stands for Local Area Network. Ports are usually for connecting various devices to the computer. These devices include digital cameras, scanners, printer, external hard disk or DVD writer, and USB memory cards. Clear? Now I would explain expansion slots and expansion cards. I am raising this. Now we will define expansion slots and expansion cards. How to define it? Expansion slots are long, narrow sockets on the motherboard. Clear? Expansion slots are long, narrow sockets on the motherboard. Used for installing expansion cards. Used for installing expansion cards. Expansion cards are small circuit boards. अब expansion cards क्या हैं? Expansion cards are small circuit boards. Clear? And these are commonly used expansion cards are sound cards, graphic cards, modern card and network cards. Examples लिख लें बेटा. These are commonly used expansion cards are sound cards, graphic cards, sound cards. Second one is graphic cards, and modem and network card. Modem and network cards. Clear, girls? Now I will write here the 3 main points to memorize you to clear this topic more understandable. Let me show the 3 main heads, 3 main points. What was the 3 main points? That are, first point is expansion slots का first point है alternatively referred to as a bus slot or expansion bus slot or expansion ports, alternatively referred to a bus slot or expansion port. Clear? Second point is, write down the second point, that is, an expansion slot is connection. An expansion slot is a connection or port located inside the computer. Located inside the computer on the motherboard. That allows a computer hardware computer hardware expansion card to be connected. Expansion cards to be connected. Clear? An expansion slot is a connection or port located inside the computer on the motherboard that allows a computer hardware expansion cards to be connected. Now write the example here. So write down the example. For example, if you wanted to install a new video card in the computer, you would purchase a video expansion card and install that card into the compatible expansion slot. After explaining, I am writing here. For example, if you wanted to install a new video card in the computer, you would purchase a video expansion card and install that card into the compatible expansion slots, into the compatible expansion slots. Clear, girls? I am repeating this example again. For example, if you wanted to install a new video card in the computer, you would purchase a video expansion card and install that card into the compatible expansion slots. I hope you guys understand it. Thank you so much, girls. I love this.